Durumi residents where they dey for Abuja, my people matter reach me from this side. Omo, they say the water situation for this community be this way. I don't know what I go even call it, whether na city. Omo, the thing shock me. Eho Abuja, hey Chineke me, you need see how these people they fetch water. They line up the water save dirty, everything. No means of water. For a whole Abuja, I don't even understand. And matter even reach me say these people get chief. Oh, like chief, they the community, I be the area chief. Even chief, they join them. Chief, they join them. They bend down. They fetch water. They send people. May they go. They fetch water. Omo, now they don't come outside. They call on government. They say make government. I bet make government do something because many of them now they don't begin they fall sick. Some of them don't they cough. So and obviously they know say that the water they cause and so I beg I don't bring them come aside. Make una not say na me just come outside come talk because join me make we listen to them.
Fresh.
Turn your rubber.
Aha. Your phone don't hot.
No, just.
Obasawa, you enter my shot.
See water where human being they drink. See water where human being they drink. Even I don't understand. Animals I don't say that they drink this kind of water because they don't care. No, I beg. We need thank God. Many of una go they wonder why. We need thank God, my people, because if you not calculate or even imagine the kind of things where we Africans they take inside our system and we see they are alive. God bless Africa. Because this kind of thing, if one white person just drink we know either you don't enter coma, stroke don't catch am, or something. Definitely something go happen. God, thank you for Africa. We are strong. See, our immune system they strong. You can just imagine. The one wey shock me, in fact, this one take me out of place. Chief, they join them. Chief of their community, they join them. Fetch this water. I beg, I not just understand a whole chief. Wait, wetin make this chief no fit just organize, make the find system so that people go they get water? I don't understand. With all the money where you get, with all the, I know as chief of this community, you supposed plan and arrange. See, not be every time I go they wait for government too. Not be every time I go they wait for government because I not just understand. When I go wait for government for everything, I not say yes, government gets mind, they get if I upper hand inside this thing, but I beg. See, I beg you now. Do something for ourselves. If not, una go just die. Una fit start dey dig boreholes. Abeg as chief, as you dey there, and what you dey do? You don't go organize so that these people go dig holes, do something. Now when they start to fall sick, and I hope say una get health workers because una need, una even need they teach these people since na the only option for now. Una need teach them so okay, this water una go boil and una go make, you understand, ways to survive. I be ways to use this water. If not, the way these people go start they fall sick now. Una go dey shocked. Very, very important. Una go dey shocked. And I dey talk am because we need save life. Because all of una wey dey this Durumi community, go meet your chief. Make una get meeting so that una go strategize on how to move things forward. Very, very important. I say make I bring and I beg una need help me share this video so that government go know wetin dey happen. It go give them helping hand. Very, very important because now why I say make I bring her. So subscribe if you never subscribe. If not, you go dey miss matter like this. Drop your comments and as usual, I go reply on one by one. Stay tuned for our next story. I don't bring on another Lagos matter, my people. This one are last man and keke man rider. They according to the matter wey reach me, they say the last man stop the keke because the keke bin dey carry 4 passengers inside keke. And now according to the keke man, the keke say he say he no carry 4 people, say na 3 people in carry, but they don't lie on top in head now say he carry 4 people. My people, now so they can't tell this keke rider say may remove him boxer. They tell am may remove him boxer. I don't know when the punishment be that. Now so this guy self shame no even dey him body omo. I understand that say frustration wan kill am, na so he just abeg if una wey no know wetin dey happen now. Before people start dey run away from Lagos, join me make we watch the video.
Hello. Mbelewa.
Mo ti wà bí báyìí o, mo ti wà bí báyìí, wọ́n ti fẹ́ pa mí, mo ti wà bí báyìí o. Mo ti wà bí báyìí náà ṣe kọ́kọ́, mẹ́ta mo gbé o, mi ò dé báyìí o. Mẹ́ta mo gbé o, mi ò dé báyìí o. Mẹ́ta mo gbé o.
See harassment. No, see harassment. This thing I no understand though. Hey, I wish say I fit get one vision so that I go know who they do this thing to Nigeria. God, how far? Is it this night? I need to see. Who do this thing to us? People just dey commit. In fact, this one no be sin. Sin sef na understatement. I dey look for name. Wetin I go call this thing? The guy sef get mind. Remove boxer like that for express. You no mind, you no care, you no look left, right. Abeg, my question na for these last man people. Wetin dey use person boxer do? Na rituals? Abi Baba don tell them say for them to graduate or for them, I no understand. Wetin una dey use person boxer do? And even using ordinary hand sef carry am. Ordinary hand. Una get mind. Hey, una get mind. Una get mind. Are they serious? Una never even jammed wrong people. See now, then why they vex every time? All of una wey they do juju for Nigeria, you get power. Because wetin happen? Where una dey? You carry person boxer with your bare hands. You don't even know whether this person a ghost. You don't know wetin they use that boxer do sef before you wear am. You don't even know where this person they come from, where they go. You just hi. I dey sure say that boxer sef no dey smell. Because if that box I mean, forgive me because I don't even understand. If that boxer they smell, they not for even ask am for am. You know they smell. You get people if they wear boxer for you. If they wear boxer, hey, maybe that one where they don't wear like 1 week, just a piece they put am back. By the time you remove am, all those last man, all the three of them were standing now, so they go just run, they go leave am. Bros, your boxer was not smelling. You have. You know, chase them away with that smell. Now waiting you. My people just increase everywhere for Nigeria. My people just even the keke rider say follow mad. How you go remove your boxer like that? Frustration, no. See, when I say all these drivers way, if they waka or if they drive, they carry weapons. I no blame them. Now because of people like this. Because they need to defend themselves, my people. We don't go blame them. They need for this country. Since Nigeria now, no police where you fit call, no court where you go settle case. Nothing, you are on your own. Or your OYO, you are on your own. So I no go blame them if they carry weapons up and down because nobody to defend them again. Nobody to report case to again. I just wish, I don't even understand. Like, I don't get wish again, my people. Make I not tell you say I just wish. My wish has finished. My wish don't finish. I don't know what to do again for this country to be better. I don't know. Because this one now, see happen now. No be say they go arrest them. Now so you go just pass. I don't finish. Nobody go arrest anybody. Nobody go carry case. Nobody, they no go even sack anybody. In fact, now so this matter go just die. Wetin we suppose do? Abeg, if you get solution, drop am there, because now this one wey I bring like this, my people, I no get solution. My head is blank. So anything wey you guys talk concerning this case, talk am for that comment section. But the important thing wey I want make una help me do na just two things: subscribe, share this video so that people go see wetin dey happen. You never can tell, maybe change fit start from this one. Very, very important, you understand? Maybe we just keep our hope high. And abeg, stay out of trouble. Anything wey you fit do to avoid these people, abeg, avoid them. So that you no go just cause unnecessary embarrassment. Very, very important, because now, see all the uniform people now, they don't dey love cycle. Na cycle. You understand? Abeg, very, very important. Still, my people, now me with this your Aproko madam, and don't go far. Stay tuned for our next story.